the recent raid has raised quite a bit of concern about the future of South Korean investments and business ventures in the U.S. Our economic correspondent Kim Do-yeon spoke to a number of pundits here to take a listen.
Following last week's U.S. immigration raid at Hyundai's Georgia plant, the South Korean government on Monday held an emergency meeting with major companies investing in the United States. According to the Ministry of Trade, Industry and Energy, officials heard businesses' concerns, including the need for an expansion of visa quotas. This comes as the raid poses uncertainties and obstacles in executing the hundreds of billions of dollars of investment that Korean companies have pledged to the U.S.
From that perspective, if a company faces major uncertainties over how to structure its investments and divide work between its home and local operations, then it's certainly possible that both investment and strategic plans could be delayed.
The raid highlights a central tension, calls for local American hires. However, as Korean companies expand and invest in the U.S. in the initial stages, the advanced facilities promised depend on trained engineers from Korea. This reliance makes dispatching Korean employees essential, which will get harder due to the recent raid.
Korean employees coming to the U.S. are going to face tougher checks, more document reviews, more interviews. For the companies, that means higher spending on proper visa sponsorship, legal advice, compliance. And for the employees, it probably means more time at the border or longer processing overall.
Beyond securing the correct visas, experts now say proper training in dealing with immigration authorities could now become a must.
They need to be trained on how to answer ICE agent questions properly, not to insinuate that they're working on things that are outside the very narrowly tailored scope under the what we call FAM's Foreign Affairs Manual, which specifies specific carve-outs under the ESTA holders and B1 visa holders.
Visa expansion as requested by Korean companies will be able to fix the ongoing issue at the moment. However, the South Korean government says that's not just a trade issue and has to do with local politics and other aspects, making it harder to address. Kim Do-yeon, Arirang News.